Well, howdy guys, Rod here, Captain Rod, and I've just actually managed to get into the old Killermont club rooms out on the Killermont airstrip. Just broke into them. The birds have had a field day, but I'll just give you a quick flick around. And this is from the glass control tower. That's the old toilet there. A log burner. That's actually Busket and Benmore there. Mount Horrible or Cuthbert, Tara Hills, the Weather Range, and that's looking over towards the Lindis and Magic Mountain. This is how I came up the stairs. I'll just take you into the club room so you can have a look. Absolutely full of bird shit. Old kitchen, old paint, a stove that badly needs a clean. I wonder what's in the oven. There. Looks like the old zip and the old dishes that still weren't done from when the boys left. Looks like there's a electric fence feed going here. There must be power in the place still. The kitchen looks pretty rough. The rolls, no guns, no fitting, no dogs, no birds, yes cats, no rats or spurs. Let's go through into the living room and give you a look. Still the old fridge, absolutely empty, not like a gliding club. A few old things lying around, like an old poster on circuits. Safety must be our first priority. No safe flying is an accident. Safe flying is no accident. The club captain or deputy. This is incredible. Might actually take some of this old stuff back. I don't know what that photo's of. Looks like a instrument deck out of a plane or something. God knows. Log burner covered in bird shit. There's even a bit of firewood left. An old couch. Good Lord, one of these old card tables that from years ago. The old notice board has still got stuff on it. Site rules, Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries. Incredible. So there you have it. I'll just give you a quick look outside. With a wild woolly mess. But there's the control tower that I was in up there before. This must have been where the deck was out here, but it's been taken away. How incredible. Beautiful day in Omarama.